Hi, I'm David Kowalski here at Felice Urban Cafe, here with Wine Buzz Magazine. I'm going to show you how to make a Nightingale cocktail. So we start with some fresh ginger slices. One should be sufficient. It's really strong, so it'll be a nice fresh flavor. Some fresh simple syrup. And you're going to muddle those together. If you don't have a muddler at home, you can always use like a big end of a spoon and it'll suffice. Fill a dash of Campari, about 1.5 ounces of some watershed gin. And here comes the fun part. I like to use some fresh citrus in mine. I use about the juice of about 1 full lemon. And the juice about 1/4 of a grapefruit. You can use pre-juiced stuff, but for a superior quality cocktail, it starts here. Top with some soda, and you got yourself some cherry. Cheers!